So now let's see how we can use multiple auto layouts together to create a dynamic content that you can work with. So to do that, I'm going to go around and bring in a rectangular shape right here. And let me just go around, increase the corner radius for this. So once I do that, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say, for example, a radial gradient. And I'm going to go around over here and select out, maybe this change out the opacity for this and choose a color right here. So I'm just going to go around, choose a color. For this one, let me just choose around this color right here. So I'm just going to go around, click outside, and this is what you have. So let me just go around, make it a bit softer. So I'm going to go around, bring in a text. So just gonna go around, bring in a text right here. And let's say this is going to be home. And I'm going to select it all, choose white color right here and turn this into an auto width text right here. And just like this, I'm just going to place this and maybe I want to increase its size. So I'm just going to scale this out right here. So just going to go around and scale this out from the side. So there you go. There's an auto layout right here. So I'm going to turn this into an auto layout frame. So I'm going to select out home right here and I'm going to press Shift A and it turns into an auto layout. So if I were to go around and type in about us, what happens is that it automatically increases in size. But let's say I want to have another design in the front, then what I can do is I can go around over here and add in another design. Let's say, for example, I want to add in a star right here in front of the button. So I can simply select this out and select a color of my choice. So let me just go around and select this. So now I want this to be another auto layout. So let me just go around, press Shift A right here. So that's auto layout, that's frame 2, that's frame 1. So simply select both of these and press Shift A and that is an auto layout now. So if I were to go around right here and then type in more, you can see that it is still there. So now what you can do is you can go around over here and then change out the change out this, as you can see right here. So this is an auto layout. So if I were to go around and then select this, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, it actually goes out right here. So this is going to be frame 4, as you can see. I can select all of these again and press not Control but Shift A on my keyboard, and now that's an auto layout itself. So if I were to go around right here and type in contact, you can see that it actually changes out in size. I can go around right here just like this. So I can go around, press Control V right here because I already pasted it out. You can see that auto layout actually works out right here. So I can go around, instead of auto layout, I'm just going to go around, type here home just like this. And this is going to be about, and this is going to be, let's say, portfolio, just like this. And if I were to go around, this is going to be FAQ right here. So you can see that the button size changes accordingly. You can select the frame out over here as well. And this is an auto layout. So you can go around, push it horizontally over here as well. So this is a frame. And again, you can go around right here, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V right here, bring this on to the bottom right here, line it out, select all of this, and convert it into an auto layout by pressing Shift A. So now you can press Ctrl V right here and it goes around, and then you can see that everything is dynamic now. So you go around over here, you can see that everything automatically adjusts out right here, and that is how the auto layout actually works out. You got a dynamic content within frame right here. As you can see, everything changes out accordingly right here, and that really makes it easy to work around with different elements quite easily without having to manually resize everything by your own. So you can go around over here as well, and you may want to go around with the alignment. So you can center align everything right here, right align everything, as you can see, and everything is very, very dynamic. So you can go around over here. You can go, let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto my selection tool, move tool right here, and double click here, change around the text, you can see that everything automatically aligns out in the center. So that is how you can use the multiple auto layouts inside of Figma to have a very, very dynamic content for design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.